In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to streamline your email communications, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have a personalized and efficient template ready to go. Let's get started by navigating to the Email Templates section at the top corner of your Salesforce interface. This is the hub where you'll manage and organize all your email communications, making it an invaluable tool for enhancing your interactions with customers. Once you're there, you'll want to click on New Email Template. This button is your gateway to crafting a fresh template from scratch. It's a simple action, but it opens up a world of customization options, which we'll delve into as we proceed. After you've initiated the creation of a new template, it's time to fill in the key details. This step is crucial, as the information you provide will determine how your email template is utilized. Start by entering a name and a description for your template. The name should be something easy to recognize, especially if you're planning to create multiple templates. A clear and concise description will give anyone accessing the template an understanding of its purpose and contents, ensuring seamless communication across your team. Once you've named and described your template, you'll want to choose a folder to store it in. Organizing templates by folders is a handy way to maintain order, allowing you to quickly find the template you need without sifting through unrelated content. Good organization can save you time and help maintain efficiency, which is always a plus. Now let's move on to the core components of your email: the subject and the body. Enter both in their respective fields. The subject line should be attention-grabbing, yet clearly convey the purpose of the email. Meanwhile, the body is where you can elaborate on your message or offer, and it's essential to craft it well to engage your audience effectively. One of the fantastic features Salesforce offers is the use of merge fields to personalize your emails. With merge fields, you can automatically insert specific recipient information, such as their name or company, directly into the email. This personal touch can significantly enhance the reader's experience. Lastly, after you're satisfied with the content and settings of your email template, it's time to click Save. This step will preserve all your hard work and finalize the template, making it readily available for use whenever you need it. And there you have it. You now have a fully fledged email template ready to deploy in Salesforce, allowing you to communicate more efficiently, personally, and professionally. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope it has empowered you to take full advantage of what Salesforce email templates have to offer, streamlining your communication and elevating your customer interactions.